Hi everyone, Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher here. Today I wanted to share with you a link to some free ear training exercises. Now, ear training exercises are, let's say, one of the top 3 things that helped me as a musician, and I think it's one of those top 3 pillars that you build on. The first one is probably how to move your right hand. The second pillar is probably understanding chords. And then the third pillar is developing the coordination between your ear and your hand. And this helps you with song recall. It helps you with learning songs by ear. It helps you with being able to play popular music, which is every song that's on this channel. So what I've done is created a series of ear training exercises, totally free. You can find the link in the description. It's on my website, accordionlove.com. I recommend that you do these ear training exercises every time that you practice. My recommended practice is 15 minutes a few times a week. And in addition to your scales and triads and arpeggios, do 4 or 5 of these ear training exercises. I've uploaded a first set of 9 fairly simple ones. And then at the bottom of the blog post, there are 14 additional ones. You can do those too. Have fun with them, repeat them, and don't get frustrated. Ear training is a skill that you develop. The more you do it, the better you'll get. Again, head on over to accordionlove.com. The link is in the description, and enjoy. Again.
Oh.
Nice. Yes, do the whole thing. Yes, good, awesome. Very good, perfect. Yep, different song. Yep. Again. Try again. You're making these nice and hard. Hold on. Ooh, you have a lot of ideas in your head. Can you do some that are closer together, that aren't jumping around so much? Yep. Ba, ba, ba. Right? And do one more. Again, can you play it again?